When audio heavyweights Rode release a new product, we all take notice, and the release of the Rode Wireless Go 2 was one of those moments. A 2-channel wireless lav set with supreme audio quality for under $300. But the Wireless Go 2 is far more than just a simple lav mic set. I want to show you why this is the must-have purchase for filmmakers in 2021. When the original Rode Wireless Go hit the market, it was to a lot of excitement. Finally, we had an affordable, high-quality wireless lav set with the added bonus of the transmitter units featuring a built-in microphone. For me, the excitement was that the world of higher quality audio in creators' videos was now far more accessible. A 2-channel version of that was always going to be a welcome upgrade, and that's exactly what the Wireless Go 2 has brought us. But this upgrade is far, far more than just that. And before I go on too far, I'll warn you that this video sees the full audio geek in me get more than a little excited. So it's less of a review and more of a holy shit, what have Rode done kind of vibe. Once you dig a little deeper with the Wireless Go 2, you'll notice some of the key and exciting features. Firstly, the audio quality. It is impeccable. So good that I'm actually comfortable recording this whole video with it. I would say that to my ear, it's actually right up there with my Sennheiser ME2 and G4 set, and that's without using an external lav mic. Then comes the added functionality. Firstly, having this little portable unit without the need for an added lapel microphone is always a welcome feature. For me, if gear is easier to use, then it's more likely to get used more often. But beyond that is what happens when you use the Rode Central software on your computer. Doing this will allow you to control the built-in transmitter's recording feature, which is absolutely huge. This feature allows the transmitters to independently record uncompressed audio onto the transmitters themselves, acting as a high-quality redundancy for all of your shoots. This will likely bypass any interference, preamp noise, or dropouts that you sometimes associate with wireless microphones. I will say though that with a 200-meter maximum range, dropouts are very unlikely. And now comes the recent firmware update, and this is the really exciting part. With the Rode Central software, you could and should update the transmitters to the latest firmware that was available on the 30th of March. Doing so enables standalone transmitter recording without receiver pairing. This means you now have 2 independent microphones and recorders in this set. Let me go further. This set can now act as a standalone field recorder. Filmmakers everywhere should really pay attention to this because, yes, you can use this kit as a convenient, affordable, and high-quality 2-channel lav mic, but you can also use it as a tiny portable field recorder and microphone for Foley, sound effects, or to record audio of any kind. And better than that, you have 2 of these microphone recorder combinations in the kit. The possibilities for this are only just sinking in for me, but conceivably, you could use this in place of your expensive field recorders. And if Rode are to be believed, they're planning an even bigger firmware update soon that will integrate some of the DSP processing seen in the Rodecaster Pro into the transmitter and recorders units themselves. So you may soon be able to add processing such as compressors and parametric EQs on the transmitter unit recordings themselves. If that happens, expect Pete to take to Twitter to escape my excited audiophile ramblings. So normally here I would summarize my thoughts on the piece of equipment I've reviewed, but really there's no need. If you can stretch to $300 for this kit, just do it. Don't hesitate because it offers so much that it's impossible to beat. I hope Rode's claims are true because those future upgrades will make this truly a groundbreaking product, but even without it, the Rode Wireless Go 2 truly should make poor audio quality from the casual creator a thing of the past. For more info on the Rode Wireless Go 2, there is of course some links below. And whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing, and maybe in the comments let me know how much you enjoy it when Pete's not in the videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. One take that was, one take right through.